Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making access and safety your priority. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 2 minutes so the ECU and airbags reset. This prevents accidental deployment. Next, remove the glove box and lower trim, use a plastic panel tool to avoid scratches, and pry out trim clips methodically. Label every screw and connector as you remove it, because once you progress deeper, similarly sized fasteners and plugs look identical, and relabeling saves time when you reassemble. Once trim is clear, focus on the instrument cluster and center console fasteners. Unscrew the bezel and then the cluster mounting screws. Make sure screws go into your labeled bag. You must support the cluster with one hand while you release each wiring harness. Press the locking tab, pull straight back, and avoid twisting the connector. If a connector resists, check for a hidden clip. Forcing it risks breaking pins. Keep the cluster close to prevent cable stretching and inspect connectors for dirt or corrosion. For final removal, unbolt remaining fasteners from the dash crossmember and lift the dash forward evenly. Use a second person if needed to control weight and angle. Before fully removing, disconnect HVAC ducts, airbag connectors with their safeties, and any ground straps. These are critical for safe reassembly. Once out, inspect wiring harnesses and mounting points. Troubleshooting tip: if the car won't power on after reconnecting the battery, recheck the negative terminal tightness and all fuses first, because a loose ground or blown fuse is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.